Right guys, welcome back for another video. Sorry for the lack of videos over the last few days. If you know, you know. If you don't know, then go and read the post on the community group on YouTube. But if you can't be bothered to read that, then yeah, a couple of days ago, a friend that lives in the block of flats where I live, passed away. It was me that went up to check on him, and I found him. So, yeah, knocked me for six a little bit. Not something that I ever want to go through again, and never will. But today, buttermilk from Birchwood. Buttermilk chicken mini fillet tenders. These cook in apparently 18 minutes, and I got them from Lidl, and they were £2.69. These ones here. We'll roll the intro, we'll come back, see you in a bit. Right guys, so welcome back. So yeah, these button tenders, whatever they are, buttermilk, upset the frog. That's all your nutritional value on the screen there. Pause it if you wish. On the back, it says about cooking. Oh, preheat oven to 220, which is what I've just done there. Upset its mum. Preheat the oven to 220. If you're in a fan oven, If you're in a fan oven, it's 200. Place the fillets on a baking tray, which I've got right here with my grease smooth paper on it, for 16 to 18 minutes. Ensure food is piping hot, cook throughout, juices run clear, and no pink colour remains before serving. And it says do not reheat. Not suitable for microwave cooking. So obviously going to be in the oven. Well, yeah, it's got to be in the oven. Doesn't say anything about air frying on it or nothing. Otherwise I would have threw them in the air fryer to make it a little bit quicker. But yeah, we're going to be putting these once the oven is preheated, and we'll put these in the oven and we'll get them cooked. We'll come back, we'll do a little bit of a taste test and whatever else we've got to do with them. I may get a little bit of a mayo dip in a little tub. Ooh, wait a minute. Oh yes. Oh no, don't tell me I've not got one. Ah, there we go. So I've got a little tub which I might put some mayo in, just for a bit of dippy guys. Throw a bit of maybe garlic paste in there as well. Yep, some garlic puree. Just give it a little mix. But we'll come back guys, and we'll crack on. See you shortly. Right guys, I don't know if you can see this. My oven's not preheated up yet, but for £2.69 you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fillets. £2.69 for an extra 50p or an extra 70p. I can get a full chicken and cook that. Really? I wouldn't say that's good value for money for that much. But I'm gonna spice it up a bit. I'm not going to spice the chicken up. I'm just going to leave it because I want to tell you exactly what this is like. Exactly what it's like. No bullshit. No, nothing like that. I'm just going to tell you exactly what I think of these. Exactly what I think of them. So, yeah. You can probably tell me it's not with it. But I thought, you know what? I've got to do a video. Otherwise, I'm going to start losing subscribers. And I don't want that. I've got mayonnaise, I've got my little tub, so I'm going to be putting that in there. Once these are cooked, when I put them in the oven. See you shortly, guys. Ta-da! Alrighty, guys, welcome back. So shaking's done. I put them in for a little bit longer just to make sure they're cooked. That's a bit warm. Damn it, Paul, don't be doing that. There's only 5 pieces. I might as well just throw them on a saucer. Get them on there. 1, 2. I'm not even going to put any salt or pepper on these guys. I'm just going to leave them as they are and just try them. But obviously what I am going to do is I'm going to let them cool down a little bit, because I don't want to be cutting into these and burning one's gob out. So really, oh, pardon me, and again pardon me. A little bit of mayo in the old tub. Oh yes, just in case I need a bit of extra saucy. Because even though the chicken might sort of be nice, for me, it might not be moist enough. So we're going to let them cool down for a few minutes, then we'll come back and we'll dig in. Oh yes. See you shortly. Right guys, back again. Can't wait any longer. I'm a little bit hungry, but if you can sort of like hear this, they are quite crispy on the outside and a little bit fluffy and moist on the inside. But let's dig into one of these. But before we do that, there's one thing we have to do. Oh yes. Let's bite first, bite hard. It's got to be done. So, I'm using a knife and fork, I don't care. Chicken looks like it's quite juicy and quite moist. I need to stop using the M word. Me people don't like it. But, let's give it a go. Bring it over there. I mean, the coating's nice and crunchy. The chicken's nice. Can definitely taste that buttermilk. Oh yes. Look at that. Steaming. Absolutely steaming. You know what? I quite like them. But for the price I paid, you know, there's a little bit, how can I put this? A little bit too little in them. So, I probably wouldn't buy them again. You know, they're nice, but I probably won't buy them again unless my sister was treating me to a pack, you know, and then that'd be good. Let's dip it in a bit of that mayo, just that little bit. Oh, instant flavour changer, definitely. Cut a bit of that off. Nice, it's nice and juicy. Where are you going? Come here. Nice and juicy. Nice and tender. I'm going to cut one in half so you can see it all the thing. I'm going to cut one right down the middle. Oh yes. Cut one right down the middle so you can have a look at the inside of it. So there we go. There's a bit of steam coming off it, but I don't know if the camera can see that, but it is quite juicy. A buttermilk taste is there, I can taste that. Oh yes. But at that price, I probably wouldn't buy them again. Unless, obviously, like I said, my sister says, I've got you these for your tea, put some chips with it. Then I would. But they are they're really nice. The only thing that puts me off these is the price. That's it. That's the only thing that if these were like for 5 little buttermilk chicken tenders, £2.69. If these were £1.50, I'd probably buy them again. £2 maybe. But they're groovy, baby. They're really nice. They've cooled down a bit now, so get rid of the fork. And just dump it in the old mayo. And off we pop. But yeah, guys, if you've ever had these, let me know what you think in the comment section. I think they're alright. They're quite nice, to be honest. And oh my days. Quite juicy chicken. I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks for the likes, shares, subscribes and comments. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button. Doesn't cost anything, guys. See you soon. Ta-da!